Hello, good morning, mga ka-Unified. My name is Miss Ellen, one of your company trainers in Unified Product Services. So ngayong araw na to, and then in this video, ang gagawin po natin ay mag-a-avail po tayo ng Compulsory Third-Party Liability Insurance. So kung paano po yung gawin, panoorin lang po ang video na to. But before anything else, saan nga po ba ginagamit at ano po ba ang CTPL insurance? Bakit po siya mahalaga? Okay? Ang CTPL insurance po are also known as Compulsory Third-Party Liability Insurance. It protects the insured from indemnity or financial obligations to any third party who is injured or killed by the insured vehicle. Okay? So lahat po ng vehicles sa Pilipinas and lahat po ng may-ari ng vehicles are required po para kumuha ng CTPL coverage, no, before po ma-register ang sasakyan sa Land Transportation Office. Now, paano po ba tayo mag-avail ng Compulsory Third-Party Liability Insurance using our system? So, ito-try po natin ngayon are the details of my vehicle. Pero ito po kasing vehicle ko, I already registered it last year. So, using our system as well, ang ating CTPL po under FPG. So, I will show you how. So, from the topmost left po ng ating web tool system, makikita po natin yung tatlong lines po dito, just beside, yun po sa ating unified na text. So, i-click lang po natin yan. And then, we will see all the menus for the different services that our company is offering. So, nandyan si loading, andyan si bills payments, andyan ang remittance, ticketing, and of course, no, andyan po yung ating insurance. So, kapag po clinic na atin yung insurance, makikita po natin yung drop-down menu. So, we can choose between the personal accident insurance or compulsory third-party liability. Since ngayon po ang i-avail po natin ay ang CTPL, we just simply click Compulsory Third-Party Liability. Pagka-click po natin yan, lalabas po yung application form para po sa ating Compulsory Third-Party Liability Insurance. So, mamimili po tayo for the brand new cars. I-click lang po natin yung pong new. So, ang coverage po niyan kapag bago ang vehicle and it is the first time that we will register our car, yan po ay good for 3 years. Pero, as for the case po ng aking sasakyan, I've already registered it 2014 po. So, we will choose for renewal. And this is covered for 1 year. So, ang mga details po na kakailanganin natin are the MB file number, plate number, engine number, chassis number, and all the other details of the vehicle. So, saan po ba natin siya makikita? No? For the correctness, be sure po na tignan po natin ang ating ORCR. Dahil po lahat ng binanggit ko po ng mga details or information, it can be found doon po sa ating ORCR. So, let me just input and complete the details of the form sa ating MB file. Let me just type my MB file number. Okay, ano nga po ba itong MB file? No? Ang MB file po, or motor vehicle file number, it is the official basis for the registration of a vehicle. Okay. Yan. So, kailangan din po natin na i-input ang plate number. The engine number, chassis number, premium type. So under premium type, you can choose private cars, motorcycles, light medium trucks, or heavy trucks. And the vehicle type, i-input din po natin kung ano po ang year model ng ating sasakyan, ang body type, at ang kumpanya na nag-manufacture po ng vehicle. Ayan, kailangan rin po na i-indicate ang color, ang capacity, and also ang weight. In kilograms po ito. Now, kailangan na rin po natin ngayong input ang insured information. So, sa assured name po, kailangan natin na i-input ang first name, ang middle name, at ang last name. And be sure also sa email address naman na current po and accessible ang ating email. Ang ating SIN number. And our present or permanent home address. Sa mga hindi pa ho nakakapag-renew ng kanilang registration, no, dahil po sa ECQ, so isa po sa requirements ang CTPL, ang compulsory third-party liability. So, mag-book na po kayo dito sa ating system. So, after po natin makumpleto lahat ng details sa form, we just click submit. Yan. So, upon clicking the submit button, sabi po dito, no, an important reminder, all successful CTPL registration is non-cancelable, non-amendable, and non-refundable. So, be sure na before po natin i-click ulit ang submit button, be sure na double check po natin lahat ng mga information kung talagang correct po ba lahat ng mga details na na-input po natin. Okay. After po na ma-check or ma-double check po natin ang correctness ng mga details na ating na-input, also need to input our transaction password. Then, click submit. Yan. So, magkakaroon po tayo ng pop-up notification that will indicate that our SPG CTPL insurance was already registered or successful. So just click OK. Okay, so after po natin ma-fill out yung ating application form for CTPL insurance and na-indicate po na successful po ang ating registration, the next step is that we will be receiving an email coming from our system na CTPL ECOC confirmation. So, itong email na to is the confirmation po na talagang yung ating pong registration are successful. And then, download lang po natin yung acknowledgement receipt. and we can also view. So ito po ay downloadable. So once na we already downloaded the acknowledgement receipt, this will also be available for printing. Ayan. So ito po yung example na ng ating online transaction summary or acknowledgement receipt. Now, meron din po tayong isa pang email na marireceive. So it's really important na yung email address po na nilagay natin sa ating application form for CTPL registration ay current and accessible. So yung isa pa pong email, it's also part of the CTPL ECOC confirmation. Andito naman po if you want to print our certificate of coverage. Okay, so ang gagawin lang po natin, nakasulat din yung get ECOC. Yan, so mag-generate po ng certificate of coverage. Yan, so ito po makikita po natin sa screen ngayon, example po ng COC or Certificate of Coverage for our CTPL FPG insurance. Yan. So, ito po ay kailangan nating i-print out at i-present po natin sila upon po during the registration of our vehicle dun po sa Land Transportation Office. Kasi isa po ito sa requirements para po ma-register ang ating vehicles. So, I hope na may natutunan po kayo for today. And abang lang po for the other video tutorials na i-upload po namin. And we hope the best for everyone and keep safe.